Hello everyone. We are truly excited to share something that we believe can help us further evolve positive behavior support in Australia. Israel Goldiamond's Constructional Approach offers a paradigm shift in how we think about challenging behaviors and how we may practice positive behavior support. Goldiamond argue that focusing on the reduction or elimination of behaviors may actually do more harm than good for the people we serve. Instead, our primary focus should be on establishing repertoires and alternatives aligned with the participants' desired outcomes.
During our workshop, we'll introduce you to the key elements of the constructional approach, including an alternative to more traditional functional behaviour assessment methods. Our focus will be on coaching you to apply this model to your own practice through a series of hands-on activities and provision of practical resources. So please join us in rethinking positive behaviour support and experience what happens when we shift our focus away from behaviours of concern, moving our field toward practices that increase the degrees of freedom of the people that we support.